Better content means better business because the content will always help your business one way or the other. Whether it is brand awareness, increasing brand trust and visibility, increasing sales, everything is possible with the help of content. However, every content is not worthy of giving results. For that, your content needs to be great and capable of completing the given objective. And to create killer content that gives results, you need to watch this video. So hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video we will give you 10 content writing tips that will help you create killer content. These tips will cover everything from choosing a keyword to resolving your mistakes. So watch the video till the end. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notification. While starting content writing, always begin with keyword research. Keyword research is finding keywords that people search the most in your niche. It gives you an idea of what people are interested in knowing. For example, if people are searching what is content writing the most, it means a significant amount of searchers want to know about content writing. If it's your niche, you can choose a specific topic to write your content. Writing content based on keyword research will help you get more visibility on the internet. You can use these keywords in your content, which will make your content more search engine friendly. Either writing a blog or writing a video script, keyword research is required in both cases. To do the keyword research, you need keyword research tools. There are a lot of keyword research tools that are paid, free, and even freemium. If you want to go for free, you can use tools like Ahrefs Keyword Generator, Keyword Planner, etc. You can go more detailed keyword research for Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, etc. which are paid tools. By the way, if you want to know about the free content writing tools, you can check out our video by clicking the I button in the right corner. However, just researching for keywords is not enough. You should also research for the topic you are writing. Whenever you are writing on something, there are chances that someone else has already written on it. If there's something that can make your content unique, then that's research of the topic you are writing about. Good research can provide unique information to a viewer which they may not get elsewhere. For example, if you want to write a topic like career in content writing, in this case you should do a strong research in the situation of content writing job, its scope in specific region, average salary, pros and cons, present and future of the profession, and statistics related to content writing as a career. Deep research will make your content comprehensive, insightful, and unique, which is essential in content writing success. With topic research, it's also essential to analyze your competitors' content. Before you start writing your content, you must analyze your competitors. Here, your competitors are the ones who have written in the same content. In the case of blogs, your competitors are the ones who are ranking for your targeted keywords on search engines. In the case of a YouTube video script, your competitor is the one who is ranking for the keywords on YouTube. You have to take a look at their content, read their blog properly, watch their video. Understand what's in the content that they are ranking. What are the points they are talking about? What are they missing? What keywords are they using in the text? Are they using quotes, images, facts in their text? And finally, how can you make better content than them? Doing this is essential and it will help you to understand the pros and cons of your competitors' content. You can work on it and come up with much better content that is worthy of outranking them. After researching for your topic and analyzing your competitors, you also need to understand search intent of viewer. When you are writing content, you should always keep in mind that you are not just writing for search engines but also writing for viewers. And writing for viewers means writing what viewers want to see. And for that, you should understand the search intent of the viewer. Understanding search intent is basically understanding why a viewer is searching for a specific term. What does he want to know? the closer your content will be to the user's search intent, the better engaging and informative it is for the viewer. For example, if you're writing content on what is digital marketing, the one who is searching for this term could be the one who has heard of digital marketing, but he wants to know it in more detail. Hence, you should explain digital marketing from its very basics that a newbie could also understand it easily, explaining its application, benefits, examples, etc. And the last thing you should do before you start writing content is outline your content. When you finally decide what you will write, you should focus on how you will structure your content, which you can do by outlining it first. You should always follow a basic outline of the content, which is introduction, body, conclusion. The body part of any content is the biggest and its structure depends on topic to topic. You should structure the body by deciding which point you are going to write when. It will help your viewers to understand the content well. For example, before writing the script of this video, we outlined the structure of tips and the script was made according to that. Moving forward to actually writing the content, the first thing is to write the headline. However, you should not write anything in the headline. You should always write an attention-grabbing and SEO-friendly headline. Either you are writing content, a video script, or a blog, title and headlines are the most crucial. People are going to see the title first. Hence, the title should be good enough to grab viewers' attention, which will tempt them to click it. The title and headlines are also very important to rank on search engines. Hence, always include the targeted keywords or key phrase in the title and also in the heading of the content. After the heading, the first part of the content is the introduction. And to make it more effective, hook your audience in introduction. As it is the first part, it can decide if the viewer will check the content further or not. And of course, as a content writer, you'll always wish that the viewer should read further. And for that, you should always create a hook in your introduction. Creating a hook means writing an intro so that the viewer will get stuck to the content and be tempted to read or watch it further. But how you will create a hook in your introduction? There are few ways you can create a hook, such as write a question that is relatable to the topic which they can visualize. Add a famous quote related to the topic. Use unique statistics related to the topic. Say a story that is an example of the topic you'll explain. Which types would you prefer while writing the blog? Comment below. After writing a great introduction now, write detailed and appealing content body. After you have done all your research earlier for the content, that all was to write a great content body. Great content is one that provides comprehensive information about the topic, which also should be visually appealing. Hence, you should write detailed content with visually appealing images or informative infographics. Add lists, facts, quotes in your content. Use small paragraph in your content which will be easy for viewers to read. After writing excellent content, sum up things in conclusion. The conclusion is basically where the content comes to an end. Hence, it's important to sum up things. If you created content that answers a question, the conclusion is the place where you should give a final answer. If you created long content, then the conclusion is the place where you can give a quick recap on the content. Often readers go directly to the conclusion if they liked it. They would read the whole content. Hence, try to make your conclusion as excellent as you can. Even after you are done writing, the content is still not ready yet, because we all make lots of mistakes while writing the content. Hence, you should resolve content mistakes. When I say resolve content mistakes, I recommend you to use the tools for this task. Don't rely on yourself only. Tools are always better than you when it comes to finding mistakes. Fortunately, there is one great tool you can use for free to resolve your spelling and grammar mistakes. Grammarly. You can resolve basic mistakes with the help of Grammarly's free version. When we write content, often the readability of your content is not that great. To resolve that, use the Hemingway app, which is free too. When you will resolve your mistakes and proofread, then only your content is actually ready to be published. All these were our 10 content writing tips. Now let's sum up all the 10 tips. Begin with keyword research, do topic research, analyze competitors' content, understand viewers' search intent, outline content, write attention-grabbing headline, hook audience in introduction, write a detailed and appealing content body, sum up things in conclusion, resolve mistakes. And this was our video. If you liked our video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.